Hi, Jen Gilchrist here, back with a weekly Oracle card reading for the week of July 7th through 13th. I'm working with the Healing Waters Oracle from Rebecca Campbell, which I really love. And you can't make this up because I was just shuffling the deck and this plopped out the sirens. Use your voice, expansion, and freedom. And it reminds me of I am just opened up enrollment to my Swim with the Wild Dolphins in Egypt retreat. And it definitely, the sirens are the mermaids or mermaids of the sea, remind me so much of that energy. And so if that is something that calls to you, check it out because it's going to be amazing to recall the energy of Atlantis, of Lemuria, of ancient Egypt, but also just the healing and activated energy that you get from swimming with the incredible wild dolphins in the amazing energetic portal of Sataya Reef in the Red Sea, Egypt. So that just popped out. I had to mention it, but let's go ahead and start with the reading as well. Oh, and one other thing, keep your eyes out in a couple of days on July 10th through 17th. I'm going to have a summer sale for about 30% off of select workshops and 25% off of select digital courses. So more information to come on that. Okay. I love this. The Healing Lagoon, rejuvenate, recovery, time to heal. It's safe to stop. I love that. I mean, look at that crystalline blue energy, right? That is how the waters of Sataya is too. But I would say any healing waters using the energy of water and salt water, right? If you can get to an ocean or you feel called to even get to any kind of ocean, whether you get in it or lake or water or stream, any body of water can be very healing. You can also do a bath of salt water, right? Salt bath, or you can even do a big bowl of warm water and put a cup of salt, like Epsom salt in there. So you can bring in that healing energy through your feet to start clearing if you don't have access to a bathtub or that's not comfortable. But it definitely says, like, it feels like I just see the energy of rest and rejuvenation and relaxation. Also the energy of Hawaii, I see the hibiscus is there, but just lots of that enchanting, like it feels like an oasis of energy. But the message is really rejuvenate, recovery, time to heal, it's safe to stop. So it's kind of like pause, give yourself permission to pause and to stop. Maybe you've been putting too much on your calendar. Maybe you haven't been doing as much meditation or journaling or reflecting as needed. Maybe you've been busying yourself. Or maybe you're just overall exhausted, burning the candle at both ends. So, and it could even be like the energy this year has been like waves of waves of energy coming through, which is kind of like it's high energy vibration, but it's forcing these purging healing effects. So the body might, even for unexplainable reasons, be more tired and need more time to integrate and process this information and the energy that's coming in, right? We're purging and activating, purging and activating. And so it could be that cycle, but whatever it might be, I'm also just reading intuitively the balance of your masculine and feminine energy, which is kind of why I go back to my initial statement, which for most of you, I think is going to have a lot to do with balancing your time and energy, balancing your schedule, balancing, your masculine and feminine energy. Are you leaning more into the masculine and you need to lean back into the feminine energy, bringing more balance, right? That time for intuition, for rest, for self-care, things like that. So that's really powerful. But if you can get near water, that can be powerful too. Lady of the Lake. So we got another one. Well, I guess this is healing water stack. So that's a clue in, right? Water's going to be healing. The Lady of the Lake says, new beginnings. Something is about to happen. So this is like the I don't know. It's like take the pause and the integration time to open up those receiving channels. It feels like a breakthrough's about to happen. Don't give up before the miracle occurs, right? You've been working towards something, whether it's a big healing cycle or whether it's manifesting something new. And often when we're being called to like receive, it's also how we turn on our magnetism, our ability to activate receptivity to receive what it is that we've called in, to raise our frequency to the next level of what we're calling in at the next level, right? We have to have our body is like that final stage of that manifestation process before something births into reality in a way that it can stay in a sustainable way. And so this just feels like you're on the precipice of something new. And the way is to double down on healing and giving to yourself, whatever it is that you need. The pearl, alchemy, the reward at the end, from grit to grace. Okay, so this is exactly what I just said, right? It's the end of a manifestation cycle. You're calling something in, something's about to come through. So don't give up and lose the faith or the hope if that's where you're at. But it's also like the next step really came in from the beginning, and that is healing waters, rest, rejuvenate, recover, pause. It's safe to stop, healing, right? And these next two, I feel like, are just sort of showing you this is what's around the corner. You've got a new beginning. You're right there at the end of this manifestation cycle. Alchemy, you might still be transmuting and purging a little bit, but you're right there at the end of a cycle where you're about ready to receive all the glory. So that is very exciting. I love it so much. So again, if you feel called to be traveling to sacred environments, check it out. I'll make sure I put that information there. The Swim with the Wild Dolphin retreats come to mind because it's that healing waters of like the Atlantis, Lemurian time and playful, but also my Bali retreat. That's going to be all about, it's called Sacred Soul Reset. Receive, rejuvenate, receive, and rise, I believe. And it's all that one in particular is for women's only, but all the rest of my retreats right now are for whoever feels called to join. So check it out. And yes, I look forward to hearing how that resonates. Like, comment, share this with your friend. It really does help the channel grow and get this message out to more people. And I want to thank you so much for being a part of my community. And we'll talk again soon. Bye for now.